तो आज हम डिस्कस करने जा रहे हैं आंसर की थीम्स इन वर्ल्ड सिविलाइजेशन हिस्ट्री की। इसका जो पहला क्वेश्चन है, मोंडिक्यो, वॉलंटियर एंड रूसो वायर ऑल डैश्ड एज फिलोसफर्स, बी फ्रेंच। क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड, द इमीडिएट कॉज ऑफ फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन इज डी इकोनॉमिक। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, बोर्बो डायनेस्टी रूल्ड ओवर सी पार्ट फ्रांस। क्वेश्चन नंबर फोर, हु डेवलप्ड द सीड ड्रिल, Jethro Tull, A part. Question number 5. The first steam engine to drain water from trenches was discovered by Thomas Newcomb, A part. Question number 6. Who completed the construction of Suez Canal? Ferdinand T. Lesseps, A part. Question number 7. Telephone was invented by Graham Bell, D part. Question number 8. Duma referred to the parliament of which country? Russia, B. Question number 9. Rasputin was the B. Russian minister. Question number 10. The Socialist Democratic Party in Russia was founded in 1898. B part. Question number 11. The Russian Revolution took place when the ruler of Russia was Nicholas II. C part. Question number 12. Which of the following country is not included in the Triple Alliance? C part, Britain. Question number 13. The assassination of the Australian Prince Archduke Ferdinand took place at Bosen. A part. The First World War come to end on A part. 11 number 1918. Question number 15. The Paris Peace Treaty was signed on 11 number 1919. A part. Question number 16. The Second World War began with German attack of Poland. A part. Question number 17. Which country entered the Second World War after the Japanese attack on Pearl Harbor, America? Question number 18. Tripartite Pact was signed between Germany, Italy, Japan. A. The atomic bomb on Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki was dropped on 6th and 19th August 1945. Yalta Conference was held at Soviet Union Depot. Question number 21. The final shape of United Nations Constitution was prepared in Paris Conference. C. Question number 22. The formation of the Communist Defense Pact is also known as Warsaw Pact. Depot. Question number 23. Post-Dam Conference after the Second World War took place in A part, Germany. Question number 24. The German unification took place in October 1990. A part. Question number 25. SEATO was set up in 1954. C part. Question number 26. The disintegration of Soviet Union is followed by emergency of 15 independent republics. B part. Question number 27. Warsaw Pact was dissolved in 1990. A part. Question number 28. When did Soviet Union tested its first nuclear weapon? 1953. B part. First headquarters of UNO was established at New York. A part. Question number 30. First non-aligned movement conference was held in D part, Belgium, 1961. Question number 31. Dark Age in Europe covered the period from D part, none of these. Question number 32. Who among the following is the earliest proponent of humanism? Francis Patridge. B part. Question number 33. The world famous painting of Mona Lisa was painted by Leonardo da Vinci. D part. Question 34. Ars Nova was a cultural movement during the Renaissance in the field of A part, music. Nicolaus Copernicus, J. Kepler, and Galileo were all famous D part, astrologers. Question number 36. Who was the champion of Reformation? Martin Luther. Question number 37. Diet of Worms was convened on 18 April 1521. B part. Question number 38. In which year the British established their first colony in America? 1607. C part. Question number 39. 7 years war was fought between 1756 1763. A part. Question number 40. Why did Boston Tea Party take place? 1773. B part. America got independence on 14 July 1776. A part. Question number 42. The first president of America was George Washington. C part. When did the French Revolution? 1789. A part. Question number 44. The ruler of France at the time of revolution was Louis XVI. D part. Entertainment officers appointed by the French king to look after finance. Question number 46. The Treaty of Versailles was signed on 11 November 1919. Question number 47. The Ottoman Empire existed in D part, Turkey. The women in Bethlehem got their voting rights 1818. B part. The League of Nations was founded in the year 1920. B part. Question number 50. The fascist movement had emerged in Italy. A part. The National Fascist Party was founded by Benito Mussolini. B part. Question number 52. Followers of the National Fascist Party were known as Black Shirts. B part. Question number 53. When was the National Fascist Party formed in November 1921? A part. Question number 54. The number of member nations at the time of foundation of League of Nations was 54. A part. Adolf Hitler was born in Germany. B part. Question number 56. The armed volunteers of Nazi party were known as brown shirts. Question number 57. Main cap was the autography of B. Mussolini. Question 58. Reichstag was the assembly of which country? France. Question number 59. When was Adolf Hitler appointed as the Chancellor of Germany? December 1933. Question number 60. In which year Germany withdrew from the League of Nations? 1934. B part.